Hello guys, magkaldereta pala tayo guys. Yan. Kaldereta natin guys with cheese guys, with green peas guys pala. Yan. May cheese tayo yan guys, tomato sauce, saka yung reno maliit lang yan guys. Ating pork spare ribs guys. Yan. Bali na may nakahalo pala yan guys, bias. Sinama na natin. Bawang sibuyas, kamatis. Bali yung di na tayo guys gamit ng tomato paste, fresh tomato na lang. Bell pepper natin guys. Guys, mag-isa na pala tayo guys. So guys, medyo lumabas na yung Diyos yung ating kamatis. Sunod natin guys yung ating nakamarinate na spare ribs guys, pang kaldereta natin. Tomato sauce guys, 250 ml lang to guys. Magad lang tayo guys ng reno guys. Yan. Isama na natin yung ating cheese para mag-melt yung ating cheese. And guys, tunaw na yung ating cheese guys. At tayo na ang ating green peas guys. Yan, dagdagan natin to guys. Yan. Guys, shoutout nga pala guys sa mga nanonood na aking video guys. Yan. Happy New Year na rin guys. Guys, sa bell pepper pala guys, magad tayo. Malapit na pala to guys yung ating kaldereta guys with green peas guys. Isantis pala guys. Yan. Guys, luto na pala guys yung ating kaldereta guys. Guys, dito hanggang dito na muna to guys yung aking kaldereta guys. Yan. Yun lang guys. Salamat guys.